Should you get the Tamron 70-180 f2.8 or the Sony 70-200 f4? This is a question I get pretty often, and in my opinion, it's a pretty cut and dry answer. I would take the f2.8 every single time. Of course, getting the Sony, you're going to get the top of the line glass and autofocus, but if I'm being honest, at this point, it's all going to feel the same. And unless you're shooting on a camera that shoots faster than 15 FPS, then getting that first party lens in terms of what you're going to get exclusively with that lens is not going to be that big of an advantage. And trust me, I've had an f4 lens before, and you can definitely make it work. I'm not saying that. I'm a big advocate for saying if you can't afford an f2.8, go f4 and just learn how to edit and you'll be fine. If you have the option between the two and they're around the same price, which these two lenses are, I would definitely get the f2.8. 2.8 just makes life way easier. That is way more light, and you're going to be more well off in many more situations, whether it's indoor and or outdoor. Being that if you're shooting this outdoor, of course, the f4 is not going to have any problems, but with the f2.8, of course, you're going to get that stronger bokeh effect, which would be nice. I hate to put on the 70-180 cape. Come on, man. A 70-200-ish lens at f2.8 for underneath $900 for the most part is just, it's a great find. You can't really beat it. I really wish they would bring that to Canon. But let me know if you have any other questions. Make sure to ask those down in the comments, and make sure to drop a follow for daily camera videos.